My website and a link to the description of my website in the description of the video. You get the point. Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Designs or Friendly Landscapes. I actually came to this street in Lake Forest to meet with a potential client and remembered, oh hey, I did this garden down here years ago and I wanted to show it to you, but before I do that, I make videos about drought-tolerant landscapes, sustainability, California native plants, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content, then hit the red subscribe button. I'm also a residential landscape designer, so if you do need landscape design services within Southern California, I'll put a link to my website in the description of the video. So let me turn this camera around. We did the front yard and the backyard. I want to say somewhere in between 2013 and 2015. I don't remember. I'll have to go look at my records. But I won't take you in the back since the homeowner's not there and the gates to the back are locked. So this is what the garden looks like. These are Cleveland sages. I want to say they were the Hapatul variety. I don't remember exactly. That were planted here. Now some of the stuff here kind of croaked, but not too much stuff. So here we got a lot of coyote mint, one Ardea viosa that just took off like crazy. This, which is not dead, the tree right there, and oddly it hasn't grown as much as I thought it would, is the Desert Museum Palo Verde, and there's another one here. Weird, because I planted this exact same tree in Yorba Linda and it's huge. So this is the Galvizia Jancia Punta Panda. We've got some Trichostema lanatum woolly blue curls. Some more Galvizia, some Rhamnus, I believe, back there. I want to say Rhamnus californica. There's a dead spot or two here and there. Some manzanita. I want to say this is Pacific mixed in with emerald carpet manzanita. We didn't do anything to the hardscape. It wasn't broken or cracked. It was here. We left it. And then we have this DG path that goes to the side yard. It's very interesting how these Galvisias have just grown like crazy. So this one is the Punta Banda Galvisia, whereas this one is the Galvisia Jancia Gran Canon. Both Baja Bush Snapdragon flowers are almost identical. Wow. These look like they've just been trimmed. Not by me. And then this crepe myrtle is existing, so we left it. However, there is some sages here that are not dead. And then on this side of the property, the fruit tree is part of the neighbor's property. And because of the fruit tree and its roots, we only planted coyote mint here, which is done beautifully. Wow. And there's this kind of little area here. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Wow. Does not look that bad. Most everything has survived, with the exception of a few things here and there. Oh, and I didn't spot them. Some blue-eyed grass, Caesarantium bellum, that's kind of come up here and there. I don't remember how many we planted. Wow. Nice surprise, and I'm betting that the homeowner that lives down a few houses from here got my information from this homeowner, so that's even better.